Okay, so windscreen is now fully fitted. It was a bit of a pain, but managed to get it in. Really the hardest parts are the side parts, just unclipping them and clipping them back in again. Once it's all done, bolts are really easy to fit and secure. I was quite pleased really in the end. Also now managed to fit replacement side panels. I've fitted these in, custom designed, used the mounts for the previous air deflectors, and now got these nice privacy glass or perspex windows, and they're fitted. I'm quite pleased with the fit. They're actually nice and comfy inside. It's very comfortable. Visibility is perfectly fine. Reviewing the mirrors, again, perfectly fine. And the seals go all the way around and fit perfectly nicely. And yeah, really pleased with how that's all gone in. Managed to touch up the when I took these apart, cleaned these up a bit more and polished it up. Also, because I've got in the winter to keep warm, I know that some heat's supposed to come through these, but I've managed to install a USB-C and a 3-pin plug. We'll see how that works, especially in very wet conditions. Obviously it can be fully isolated, and it's wired all the way back through to here. Little light. This is a small leisure battery, provides 240 volt. Managed to wire it in, quite pleased with how I've wired it in. It's got a fully removable connection, and it's also got, I just fitted it down here. Once the battery lifts up and out the way, it's got a catch, or a hatch I suppose it is, that hinges up to allow the cable. Let's get this down here. This goes through and down in through a hole that's been fitted through the bike, and it works really well. Really pleased, really pleased with how it's fitted in. A couple of things to mention. I'd swapped out the mirrors. I've got the originals, but these fit quite nicely. Look a little bit like stalks, but they're sort of growing on me. I'm interested in other people's opinions, see what they think. Give it a bit more modern look. Also fitted LED bulbs, which are very bright, both at the front and also on the side light on the front and on the rear. Now the rear's really bright, really bright, which is not a bad thing considering the indicators, but I think they're not necessary really. Yeah, quite pleased with the finished look at the moment. There's a few other bits I still look to do, but no, I'm overall pleased with the the finish and the look and the ride of this bike.